What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video. Today we got something cool for y'all. Today we have an unboxing of the Mini GT R35 Liberty Walk Super Silhouette. I know that's a mouthful, but dude, this thing is super sick. I've been waiting for this one to come in for a little while. It finally came in the mail. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see the details on these, like with the camera and the lighting right here, but I'm gonna unbox it so we can get a closer look without cutting myself. This plastic's super thick, man. They don't want people to open this, I feel like. Probably not. Like, it's definitely a collectible, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I want to take some badass pictures with it in our Liberty Walk showroom. Like, fuck the bullshit, bro. Like, I'm gonna get some nice pictures of the detail. Like, it deserves some pictures for sure. Oh wow. Oh no way, dude. It's got a staggered rim setup. Super cool. Wow. The livery on the side and on the top. It's got the Liberty Walk on the front, the Mini GT, the Nismo on the sides right here. Dope. Yellow headlights. I don't know if you guys can pick up the intercooler right there. Oh wow. It's got the canards, like the super aggressive canards on the sides here. I'm scared if I touch it, it'll break off. They're so small. Jesus Christ. Oh, dude, that booty. Those taillights. A lot of people seen that booty. Damn. Dude, a carbon fiber trunk. Wow, the Nismo on the side right here is so tiny. It's like, I don't even think the camera could pick it up. It says Nismo right there. Like, I don't even, nah, it won't pick it up. It doesn't want to focus. Oh, there it is. It's right there. It's so small. And then it's got a tiny gold Liberty Walk right there. And the side skirt, it's fucking huge on here. It's hard to pick up on this camera. I need to get a better camera. Damn, at the top, this logo right here is gold, and it's got carbon fiber trunk, roof, and hood. It's fucking dope. Wow. Yellow headlights really pop with the gold rims. It really sets it off. But yeah, it's really cool. It says Barong on the side or something. I probably butchered that. But I'm stoked on this one. Definitely a cool addition to the garage here. Yeah, no, it rolls. Doesn't want to stay now. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Yeah, if you don't know, we do car shows and car meets. If you made it this far in the video, if you guys get bored, you should check it out. It's definitely worth the watch. We do car exits and other stuff and other collectibles. So check it out if you get bored. But until next time, stay safe. Peace.